Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the automatic timer on your Xbox One for when it's going to turn off. So if you want to adjust this so it turns off after like 3 or 4 hours, or maybe even like 1 hour, it's very easy to do that. So let's go up to the top and go to Settings, and then go on down to Preferences and go to the right, and go to Idle Options right here and select this. Now the first option is automatically turn off your Xbox when not in use. This helps you save energy and reduce emissions. Now the first option will be for your games or your applications here. So if we go to turn off after 1 hour of inactivity, we have the option to go to 10 minutes, and then we have the option to not turn off automatically at all. So if your controller is just sitting there, you're not pressing any buttons when you're in a game, it will turn off after your suggested amount of hours. Then the next option below is turn off after 4 hours by default for video or music. So if you're watching a movie or a TV show and you got your controller sitting next to you and you're not touching it, after this amount of hours your Xbox One will turn off. So we have 2 hours all the way up to 6 hours, or do not turn off media. Then this option over here is for screen dim, so your screen will dim after 10 minutes of inactivity. Dim your screen while your Xbox is not being used. So if you're playing a game or watching a movie, your screen will not dim, but we do have the option to go from 2 minutes to 60 minutes under here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.